Over the previous few weeks from being in Thailand, I'd managed to get around quite a bit. From riding mopeds, to going on speedboats, long-tail boats, ferries, as well as getting a combination of taxis and transfers. This time, I was now on a 12-hour overnight coach, of which was a one-way trip departing from Krabi bus terminal in the south, all the way to the country's capital, being none other than Bangkok.
I don't even know what's on this plate. It's good. No one speaks any English. Just chuck it on the plate and eat it.
So I'd finally arrived in Bangkok, where I was going to spend the next 48 hours exploring the first city I've ever visited in the whole of Asia.
I think this is like raw egg. So good.
On the first day, I had to wait until 3 PM to check into my hotel. So this gave me a good amount of time to explore. And with no plans and limited sense of direction, the first place that caught my eye was a snake farm. As well as this place being open to the public as a zoo, it was mainly used as a breeding place for hundreds of snakes. And for sure, this place was insane, especially from getting to see venom that can easily kill you casually being harvested from some of Thailand's deadliest snakes. But outside from the farm, so far from what I'd seen, from among the crowded roads and the frantic lifestyle of the city, there was the unity of old temples and the hidden spots of nature alongside the modern day architecture of the new and growing city. And after a good amount of time walking around in the humid heat of the city, it was finally time to find out what it was like to stay in a hotel above the chaos right in the centre of Bangkok.
Yeah, stepping in the spot like she own it. Looking like the world is your runway. She can set it off like a gunplay. Oh my, yeah. Talk of the city with that body. Always getting praised like it's Sunday. She said, baby, what you gonna do about it?
This hotel room had everything, to the point where I could easily live in it. And it was definitely a good move to get this, right at the end of my 2-week trip. Honestly, you don't realise how happy I am to see that I've got a washing machine in the room. I'm literally down to like no clean clothes, as I hadn't made it over to the laundrette yet. And I kinda need it for tonight. So this is a big perk of this room. Oh my god, time dry. Oh my days, we've got a washing machine and a tumble dryer in one. It is my own fault though, I could have just gone to one. Well, I've got it for free with this room.
12 seconds later.
Right, I've just got ready to go out. Whereas before we went to the tallest point of an island, being Phi Phi Islands, tonight we're going on top of the tallest building in the whole of Thailand.
cry. On the real, you shouldn't ever lie. Should've saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I am not afraid to die. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge.
I've currently got a really bad ankle from training Muay Thai the other day, and I looked earlier, my right ankle is completely swollen. But I can't be asked to sit around and moan and not do something because of that. I've just come down from up there. I'm now on my way to walk 20 minutes to get the overground. So I want to go check out, especially because of the New Year, Chinatown.
Phantom, that's alright. Inside all white, like something you ride a sled down. I just want that head. My brilliant, I'm mad. Her brilliant, her man now. Everybody got the same sweat now. All the way that I chat now. Stacking my bands all the way to the top. All the way to my bed falling over. Every time that you leave your spot, your girlfriend call me like, come on over. I like the way that she treat me, gon' leave you, won't leave me. I call it that Casanova. She said I'm insane, yeah. I might blow my brain out.
So good. It's so cheap.
So much good food here. They've even got Chinese supermarkets here. That is pretty sick. I don't want to, but I think I might have to call it a day. So at the point where I'm limping quite noticeably now. I might taxi on the way back. Oh. So much food. Cheers.
I don't really care if you cry. On the real, you shouldn't ever lie.
Nah, this is actually quite bad. Proper limping now. Yeah, it is. I don't know how well you can tell in this light. I guess I can't go out tonight. Not that I was going to anyway. Where's the ankle then? It's just leg and then foot. Bruv.
The next day.
Well, it is now the morning, literally the day before I fly home. Put some ice on it last night, but yeah, it's pretty peak.
I did everything I said, but I did it all my way. Oh wow, told you when you came my way.
Right, let's go get some breakfast.
Can nobody take your place? Oh wow, you know like the game them play. Give it to you straight all day. Oh wow.
Despite the injury, outside from the room, I wanted to see what the rest of this hotel had to offer. And the first facility on the list was the most important.
Look, I grew up in Streatham. Teachers were giving man tests. Same time the man them were giving out testers. I got paintings giving man stress. I ain't gotta sex it, message or text it. I don't wanna do you and I like I'm in Leicester, skipping my lectures. We used to ride round all reckless, stolen pets, that's Jillian Vespers. And the feds got my broski restless. Said he got a charge on the car, no Tesla. And everybody round me rowdy. I walk in, tell a jeweler, wow me. If you're talking about peas, just
What do you mean? My foot doesn't even fit in the slider. Bruv, look at the state of my foot. That's how it should be. This is how it is. I'm starving. I need some food. I had a big breakfast. Just been chilling by the pool all day. And in the sauna and that, so at least we're trying to recover, but I'm gonna go put some ice on it and then I need to go out for food. So I'm just gonna have to firm it, walking around like this. I'm literally flying tomorrow. At this rate, I might need crutches because I can barely walk on it. Because I'm literally like hopping around on one foot when I'm in my room by the, oh jeez, it's peak. But if I don't make it home, I wouldn't complain about it because I'll be in Thailand still.
A few moments later.
So basically, I've just had a Thai massage and I can't lie, that was pretty good. I feel like something like that was long overdue. Been going gym for like 6 years, my joints are awful. I've got knots everywhere. Bit of an interesting experience, going upstairs in a random building, getting shown to a bed, then telling you to just lay on your front, and to be fair, I don't know what I was expecting, but they proper go at you with their elbow and they put all their weight on your back. But yeah, it was pretty good. I'm literally just eating some chicken and rice. I got one of these chocolate puddings as well. And of course some strawberry milk. And then also I'm snacking on these. All of that was for like £2 from 7-Eleven. In the meantime, my foot is still bugging, but at least it's the end of the trip that it's decided to swell up like a balloon. I would have gone somewhere for food if I could walk. 7-Eleven had to do. Regarding Thai massages, if you get the chance to come to Thailand, I recommend it. I literally feel like I'm floating. I've never paid for a massage ever before. And yeah, as I said, I felt long overdue. Now, considering this hotel was right in the centre of Bangkok, and for the facilities it had, for $100 per night, in my eyes, was amazing. And like most other parts of Thailand, you can definitely get good value for your money here. But as for the remaining hours of my time in the city, and after one Thai massage later, I was soon ready to return home the following morning from what had been a short solo adventure in the capital, being a city that never sleeps.